Delhi BMW horror update coming in at police suspect tampering of medical reports. Police say that the patient was taken to a far off hospital instead of medical aid being given to the nearest medical hospital. Reports say that the evidence may have been tampered on the way to the hospital, which was 19 kilometers away. Why was the decision to take the victim to a hospital which was 19 kilometers away is the key question. Police impose sections of proof tampering. Those are big updates coming in as far as the Delhi BMW horror is concerned. Police suspect tampering of medical report. All right, let's get in my colleague Anushka for more on this. Anushka, fill us in. What is it that the police are saying?
That's right, Gauri. What we are learning so far is that FIR has been filed against multiple sections. Also, we are hearing that culpable homicide, rash driving and endangering public life are some of the cases that has been registered against Gurpreet Makkar, who was driving the BMW that fateful day. After 24 hours of the incident that took place yesterday around 1 p.m. in the afternoon, she has been arrested by the Delhi police. Now, she is expected to reach the Delhi Cantonment police station in a few minutes from now. Not just that, we are also hearing that according to FIR, the statement of Navjot Singh's wife is that they had requested her to take them to a nearby hospital, but she refused. She took them to New Life Hospital, that is 19 kilometers away from the accident spot. Not just that, the Delhi police is also trying to probe in the angle as to the possible association of her with the NU Life hospital. She will be taken to the magistrate, after which the police will ask for a custody. She will be taken into custody and she will be questioned as to why she was driving this rashly and was there any motive of tampering the evidence while she was taking them to the hospital. Navjot Singh, while he was driving the car, he was wearing a turban and his wife was wearing a helmet according to the FIR. Both of them were driving after having a breakfast at Karnataka Bhavan. They had left their house to visit the Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, and after which they were returning to the ring road. The maximum speed limit is 60 km per hour at a ring road, and we are seeing that she was overspeeding, and we did see the impact that it took on the BMW, luxurious car that was in fact mangled after the impact. Not just that, we are also seeing that in this particular case, the son has in fact also come out and has said that it does not make sense that when their last location was at Ring Road, they were admitted at a hospital that was 19 kilometers away from the accident site, while the multiple requests were being made to Gurpreet Makkar that they wanted to go to a nearby hospital so that a life can be saved. She did not heed to any of the requests that were made at that particular point, where at the Delhi Cantonment police station, the BMW that was in fact involved in the accident is in fact right now also seized and has been kept here in custody. In few minutes from now, she will be reaching this police station, where the police will be filing her statement as well, her version of what happened at the accident site, and they will be asking her multiple questions regarding her involvement in this particular accident and why she was driving at a speed that was not allowed at the ring road. Also, was there any attempt made to tamper the evidence? All of these questions are something that the Delhi police are about to ask Gurpreet Makkar. Over to you.
Anushka, any reason why and what was the reason given exactly for the hospital to be 19 kilometers away instead of the nearest medical hospital?
Gauri, there is a possible angle as to she was trying to get them admitted to a hospital that is linked to her father. This is an angle that the Delhi police is still probing, but also she had taken them to a hospital that was 19 kilometers away. Now, in Delhi Cantonment area, there are multiple multi-specialty hospitals that are in the radius of 1.6 kilometers. When the accident happened, they were also in fact asking the accused, which is Gurpreet Kaur, to take them to nearby hospital, and there was a lot of blood loss. Navjot Singh was, injured critically, and also right now as we are speaking, his wife is also undergoing a severe medical treatment because she has also lost a lot of blood and her femur is damaged as per her son. He is also accusing that there was foul play in this particular matter, why they were taken to a hospital that was 19 kilometers away from where the accident happens. Now, this reeks of, lavish culture, this reeks of VIP privileges.
What is the possible tampering that could have been done? What is it? How is it that the police are substantiating it? Do they suspect something more? Do they have any details?
That's right, Gauri. The police is yet to record the statement of Gurpreet Makkad as to what her version is in this particular case. It is also being speculated that the hospital in which they had taken the victims are in fact associated with his father. His father is said to be one of the trustee in that hospital, and that is why when they will be taken to the hospital, there would be a possible tampering that would be done in this whole evidence. Multiple sections have been, lodged against Gurpreet Makkad as to culpable homicide, tampering of evidences, hit and not just that, endangering public life when the speed limit was in fact set to be there at 60 km per hour. Why was she driving rashly? And when she hit the car, why did she not take them immediately to a nearby hospital? These are some possible questions that the Delhi police will also be asking them, and they will be required to answer these possible questions. We are showing you the visuals of the particular police station where both the vehicles that were involved in the accident were in fact seized and are in fact right now here in police's custody. The FSL team had gathered all the evidence yesterday when the accident happened around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. After 24 hours, the arrest has been made. The Delhi police have arrested Gurpreet Makkad, who was driving the car, and also in the FIR, Navjot Singh's wife has claimed that she was driving at a very high speed, after which she hit the behind of the bike, and the BMW also in fact overturned because of the impact of the driving that was in fact being done by Gurpreet Makkad. She lost control of the car, and this accident happened. A 52-year-old man who was out to have a quiet Sunday lost his life because of some woman who was driving rashly and refused to abide by the laws,
Anushka,
the traffic rules.
For our viewers tuning in right now, two aspects that need to be pointed out. One is the fact that the police are suspecting that possibly some important proofs could have been tampered, some evidence could have been tampered because of the long journey that the victim was forced to undertake, 19 kilometers, in terms of ensuring he gets first aid, medical aid. But the other issue, the optics that we are putting out on our screens of Gaganpreet being wheeled out of hospital, all those add up to something, don't they? In terms of the optics, the perception here. Talk to us about what is it that police are saying to that.
That's right. When she was admitted to NU Life Hospital, it was said that she was also severely injured. We did see the visuals of her getting outside of the NU hospital. She was sitting on a wheelchair, and after which she was in fact shifted to the police vehicle. She's slated to reach the Delhi Cantonment Police Station in just a few while from now. She had, been arrested few minutes from now, and she will be reaching Delhi Cant Police Station, after which her statements will be recorded here. She will have to state as to why she did not heed to the pleas of the victims who were involved in the car accident when they requested her that they need to be shifted to a nearby hospital immediately. Why did she take them 19 kilometers away from the accident site? Time is of essence when such severe accident happens, and there were several hospitals, multi-specialty hospitals that were at the nearby areas in Delhi Cantonment, and she did not heed to any of their requests. She took them 19 kilometers away, possibly to a hospital that she has links to. So that is also a possible angle that the police will be probing as to why she took them to a hospital of her choosing, and why NU hospital that is situated at GB Pant Nagar, which is 19 kilometers away and takes about 1.5 hours to reach if there is no traffic jam. Also, there is a possible aspect as to she was trying to get them to a hospital where she has possible links. Not just that, Delhi police has in fact also said that the car that was being driven by the woman was driving at a very high speed. The car is completely mangled. This is a BMW car, which is safe and luxury car, and is in fact also has multiple airbags installed in it. We did see after the impact, all of the airbags were in fact completely torn off because they had to be taken out of the car. Also,
you can just imagine the speed at which
was also completely mangled.
You can just imagine the speed at which she must have been driving for each of those airbags of BMW to have actually come out. Anushka, stay with me. I want to quickly now put out some of those big questions for our viewers tuning in right now as to why is it that this is not adding up. First and foremost, what was the need to actually choose a hospital that was about 17, some say 19 kilometers away? I mean, when you have a victim who's critically injured, you want to go to the nearest hospital, not something that is so far away. Was it because it was influenced by other factors in a hospital where it is said that the person actually had possible linkages? And what does that mean? Delay in medical attention. How significant could that be in terms of ensuring maybe Singh had a fighting chance after that very critical injury? When you lose that much amount of travel in getting first aid, it has an impact on survival chances. Next up, why were victims transported in a taxi instead of an ambulance? Why was there not an ambulance? What is this taxi? Which means that further delay in terms of providing any first aid, any medical attention to the victims. Next up, were emergency services promptly alerted? How soon you make that alert? Whom do you make it to? Are you prepared for your initial first statements? All those are aspects that need to be fitted in, and which is why whether they were dispatched in time or not is another key question. And last up, let's put out the other big question that we are asking: was the crime scene actually tampered with? How soon medical aid was given? How soon some emergency services kicked in? Why the taxi instead of the ambulance? All of that indicates a possible tampering of evidence. Remember, in all these high profile cases, these major accidents that take place because of high speeding, evidence is of key priority. And was that actually tampered here? That's the other key question. Let's quickly now play out some of those reactions that have been coming in on this big story.
थोड़ा आप ढांढस रख के आप बता सकते हैं कि क्या हुआ था, कैसे आपको जानकारी मिली?
तो मेरे को एक फैमिली फ्रेंड का कॉल आया था कि ऐसे ऐसे मेरे मम्मी पापा का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, बट आई वॉज वरीड, बट लाइक माइनर एक्सीडेंट हो गया क्योंकि पापा बहुत केयरफुली चलाते हैं, तो आई वॉज नॉट वेरी वरीड। बट फिर उन्होंने मुझे पिकअप करा और हम वहाँ गए। हाउएवर थोड़ा वो था कि वो बंगला साहब गए थे और वापस घर आ रहे थे, तो इट डिडंट मेक सेंस कि आज़ादपुर के किसी हॉस्पिटल में वो एडमिट हुए हैं मुखर्जी नगर के पास, तो वो थोड़ा अजीब लगा था। फिर मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो हमारे एक और पापा के दोस्त है, वो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पहुँचे हुए थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे फिर बताया कि पापा की डेथ हो गई है। और मम्मी से मैं मिला था, उनकी तो हालत ख़राब थी, उनका बहुत सारी चोटें लगी हुई थी, हेड इंजरी भी थी, इवन दो हेलमेट पहना हुआ था उन्होंने, फीमर उनकी पूरी शाटर हो गई है। आफ्टर द एक्सीडेंट धौला कुआं में हुआ था। उनको फॉर सम रीज़न जो वो थे जिन्होंने जो ड्राइवर थे उन्होंने वहाँ भिजवा दिया 20 किलोमीटर्स अवे इन सम हॉस्पिटल कॉल्ड न्यू लाइफ GTB नगर में, एंड इट डिडंट मेक सेंस। 1 घंटे का रास्ता है यार वो, एंड टाइम इज़ क्रिटिकल आफ्टर एक्सीडेंट। तो अब आई डोंट नो द डिटेल्स एट, CCTV फुटेज अभी नहीं आई है कि एग्जैक्टली कैसा हुआ क्या हुआ, बट आई थिंक ये 1 घंटे क्या पता अगर पास वाले हॉस्पिटल में जाते मे बी ही वुड स्टिल बी हेयर।
उन्होंने अपनी तरफ से तो यही कोशिश किया है कि भाई मैनिपुलेशन करने वाली बात है। जब आप दूर ले जाएंगे, मतलब एक फंडामेंटल रूल है कि किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है उसको घर उस स्पॉट से नियरेस्ट पॉसिबल और हाई स्पीड से ले जाना होता है ताकि उसके सर्वाइवल के चांसेस ज़्यादा हों। लेकिन इस केस के अंदर उन्होंने उसको फर्दरेस्ट ले गया ताकि उसके सर्वाइवल के चांस बहुत ही रिमोट हो गए और वो चला गया, मर गया।
आपको लगता है कि अगर आसपास करीब 5 से 6 बड़े अस्पताल हैं, अगर वहाँ वो ले आते तो शायद जान बच जाती? बिल्कुल पास में ही बहुत सारे अस्पताल हैं।
देखिए, उसके धौला कुआं के रोड अबाउट के पास हमारा RR है, रिसर्च एंड रेफरल आर्मी हॉस्पिटल। उधर वो एक विलिंगडन हॉस्पिटल जिसको बोलते हैं, राम मनोहर लोहिया, उधर है। और भी 1-2 हॉस्पिटल है, वहाँ उनको ले जाया जा सकता था, लेकिन इन लोगों ने इंटेंशनली उसको, जैसे आपने बताया कि उसकी औरत के कुछ पेरेंट्स का हॉस्पिटल है जिनमें हमारा लड़का होनहार अकेला लड़का ख़त्म हो गया इसकी, इन लोगों की वजह से।
मेरा बच्चा इतना अच्छा होशियार हो था, पता नहीं किसकी नजर लग गई, क्यों मारा, क्यों क्या क्या कसूर किया था उसने, दोनों का। वो भी तो पड़ी हुई है हॉस्पिटल में, उसके भी हड्डियां टूटी पड़ी है, पीछे सिर फटा हुआ है उसका। हेलमेट पहनी हुई थी उसने। कोई सोचा ही नहीं, कहता चल मैं आज गुरुद्वारे जाता हूँ। कई बार जाते हैं, बाइक में भी चले जाते हैं। तभी 11 दिन पहले ट्रेनिंग गया था, ऑफिस की ट्रेनिंग थी यहाँ पर ही।
क्या कहेंगे कि ये
इंडिया।
एक हादसा है या कोई साजिश इसके पीछे? क्या
नहीं
कुछ है?
नहीं, बेचारे की कोई साजिश नहीं, कोई नहीं।
उनको इतना पसंद करते थे, इतना पसंद करते थे कि बस ही वॉज एवरीबडीज फेवरेट, एवरीवन्स फेवरेट। आपने एक फैमिली बर्बाद कर, आपको एक लिखा आता है स्पीड थ्रिल्स बट स्पीड किल्स ऑल्सो, यू नो। बड़ा मज़ा आता है तेज़ चलाने में, बट सी व्हाट हैज दिस एक्सीडेंट, व्हाट हैव यू डन, यू नो।